Hi, I'm Kylene Stemmons of Georgian Law, and I'm here with our senior case analyst, Eric Phillips.
Hi.
Eric, can you just give us a brief rundown of what a judicial expungement is and how it affects a short seller or foreclosure client?
Yeah, basically the judicial expungement is based around the principle that RESPA, Real Estate Settlement Practices Act, Title VI, requires that the mortgage information must be reported accurately.
Right.
So we'll go ahead and subpoena the original loan documents. We identify the inaccuracies, which are typically in two areas: the balances and what we call the posting patterns. So we go back to the bank and we request that they change the information, and the banks ignore that request simply because they don't know what to do with it. So we make that request twice. At the end of the second request, we file a small claims action. Our client is the plaintiff, the bank is the defendant. Two causes of action. One is monetary. We sue for $1 because we know the bank isn't going to have a financial interest in the claim and hopefully not defend it rigorously, whether they do or they don't. And more importantly, our second motion is to have all negative information regarding countrywide loan number 12345 permanently removed. Present the evidence before the judge executes the judgment. Now again, and this is the important part that I want to emphasize. Okay. It's not a letter, it's not a challenge to a credit bureau, it's an actual court order that says to remove all that information. So once we have that judgment in hand, we distribute to not only the main three credit bureaus that everybody's familiar with, TransUnion, Experian, Equifax, but we also submit to other data furnishers which we have in this market, typically MERS, Mortgage Electronic Registration System, LoanSafe, and CoreLogic. And the purpose of this is that judge's order will remove that information from all of those databases and allow that short seller, that foreclosure person, to come back in and repurchase and remortgage at today's rates without that prior activity knocking them out of the market. And what I do try to impress upon everybody is this: you can't write a dispute letter, you're not going to go to a bank, and you're not going to be able to negotiate in your short sale that I want my credit to be perfect. Right. That isn't going to happen. Unfortunately or fortunately, depending on how you look at it, the only remedy that works, that's successful, is you must have a court order, and that's what we're excellent with. We have over 600 victories at this point. We're have close to 30,000 hours invested in this exact process, and we're here to help everybody understand that process and bring them through the system.
Terrific.
You like that?
I do.
Good. All right.